Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Arts and Crafts. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how can you make this bow like as a clip. In my previous video, I am going to mention the link into the description box down below. I have teach you how can you make this crochet bow. And now in this video, I'm going to teach you how can you shift your bow into this beautiful clip for your little ones. So this is how our bow was ended. So now what we are going to do, we are going to open this chains because now we don't need these chains. I'm going to attach those pearl strings to the end. If you don't know the basic crochet stitches, I would really recommend you to watch my basic crochet videos. All the supplies I am going to mention in a description box. Just open this chain normally, just like that, because we will be needing those pearl strings, so we have to open these. Now here at this point, remember, we just knot our crochet work. Now we are going to cut these off like that. If you are new, welcome to my channel again, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to burn the ends a little so these won't come off. And now we are going to attach our center part, but first I'm going to attach this clip base like that. Shift this from under this part, and now like that. And now we're going to glue this inner clip section. You can use a fabric glue for this. You can use B8000, B7000, B6000, whatever you like. But before gluing, I'm going to thread the needle. I'm going to make a knot at the end. I'm going to pass this thread through the center part of your bow from the back like that. And now we are going to add in this flower base. This flower base, you can easily find it on AliExpress, and I'm taking a 8mm pearl bead. Sorry, it's 10mm pearl bead. You can change the size of the pearl however you like. I'm going to pass the thread through the flower again like that. It's okay. It's always happened with me when I do the thread work. Just twist and fix it like that. And now again one more time, I'm going to, for making sure that it's nicely fixed, I'm going to pass it through under inside of the flower, and then I'm going to pass the thread through this pearl. And now I'm going to pass the needle again from the flower towards the back side. Super duper easy. And you have to fix this properly. You can glue this later on to make sure that it's properly fixed and it's not moving at all. But sewing is must, because otherwise if you're going to glue it, this thing will fall off. You can take the contrasting thread as well, because I was not having the peach thread, so I'm using a matching thread like that. Now you can take your pearl strings. These strings are easily available on craft stores online. You can make these strings at home as well. I'm going to trim off the top part, and now we're going to fix this to our clip. You can the length depends on how long you want your pearl strings to be. I'm going to add a little bit of B8000, B6000 at the very end of your string, and we are going to pass this under this really end point of your bow, I'm going to pass where it easily goes like that. And now we are going to take our thread and I am going to sew this over to our string, the fish wire. So pass the thread under and then over to your string. So you're going to do a couple of times like that, over, then again pass your needle under your yarn. This will fix this really nicely because first we glue this from the top and then we are sewing it. So this will make sure that obviously the kids, they are really they are going to snatch, or what do you call, sorry, my English is not so great, clumsy, I guess, or they're going to like rip off. So this will give more durability to your work. So a couple of times I'm going to go and then I'm going to make a knot to the top, so it will make it more secure. This is how I make clips like these. If you don't like this way, like this method, you can make it in any different way. So this is kind of like an idea for you that how can you make this super duper easy DIY crochet bow clip at home. And these looks really cute if you, especially if you make these with a glitter yarn. This will look much more appealing and really beautiful. I'm going to make a loop of the string, and now I'm going to sew this at the top of the fish wire to the other side as well, exactly like I have did on the first one. So couple of rounds over and under, and then we're going to make a knot like that, making 2 knots so it will be more secure. See, I always had to face these kind of stuff whenever I work with the thread. I don't know what is wrong with my me, not we. I'm going to make another knot like that, and now we are going to make a other layer of, we're going to come back to the first section, and now we are going to take the round 2. The length of your string depends on how long you want it to, so I'm going to bring it one more layer to the starting point, and I'm going to cut the remaining, look, I'm going to cut the remaining string like that. And now exactly when we started, I'm going to glue this at the top, and I'm going to insert this like that, and then I'm going to sew the top all over. So insert your this part like that after gluing it, and then you're going to sew this to the top and make a couple of knots to make it more secure. If you have any other way, oh, there was a passing fly. I just saw this right now in my video. Anyways, if you have any other way of making this kind of decorative bows, do let me know so I can, try your way as well. So I'm making a couple of knots like that, and I'm going to pass through. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because again I have started making videos on crochet and I have to do way too much work, because many are saying to make it in Urdu version and many are saying to make it in English version, so it's really hard for me to record both on different timings. Plus my English is not well at all. Like, it's not good. Okay, now we are going to stick the clip. To stick the clip, you're going to use your B6000. You can use any fabric glue or any glue you like, which just stick the clip nicely on your work. And then after applying the glue, you are going to leave this for around like 6 hours. 6 whole hours, yes. After leaving for 6 hours, this will give nice and firm dryness and fixing to the bow. And if you made these, don't forget to share it on my Instagram ID. I have a link every ID of mine in the description box, so do check out my IDs like Instagram, TikTok. You already have followed, subscribe to YouTube. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and take care. That fly is really irritating anyway. So if you make any of these, don't forget to share it with me. And thank you so much for giving your precious time to my video. Take care, lovelies. Bye bye.